Earthquakes will multiply. Increasingly, earthquakes have been 100 years. Even 20th and 21st century technology has only partly been able to detect the cause. According to the American National Earthquake Information Center, there were 20,800 sizes, great and small, in 1999. According to official estimates, 22,011 people are estimated to have lost their lives in these quakes. According to daily observation data, the number of earthquakes in Turkey as a whole rose by 75% from 2002 through years show 3,200 earthquakes with a severity greater than 2 on the Richter scale in 2002, rising to 3,009 in 2003 and 31 in 2000. Of the word peace be spoken 1,400 years ago. There will be earthquakes such that 10,000, 20 perish in these earthquakes. The day of judgment will not take place until these events are realized. Earthquakes will multiply. Large numbers and frequency of earthquakes in recent years, their severity on the Richter scale, are regarded as major changes by seismologists. Because the number of earthquakes was very low. According to U.S. Geological Research Organization reports, out of the earthquakes carried out in some 400 years, 1966 and 1975, only 110 registered or above scale. According to the same institute, there were 1,605 earthquakes registering 0.5 on the scale between 1980 and 2003. There can be no doubt that statistics huge increase in the number of earthquakes since the beginning of the year 1400 according to the Hijri calendar, 1979 to 1980 according to the Gregorian calendar. This shows, peace be upon him, great miracles. The hadith of earthquakes were first spoken some 1,400 years ago. Bearing in mind the condition of those times, there were no technological means such on the subject possible. It is only by way of contemporary that we have to learn geological phenomena of and tectonic fault lines. For in the Prophet, peace be upon him, events that were to take place 1,000 years later, as if he had actually witnessed them with his eyes. That every event described has successively taken place is described in our proof that each and every one is, without exception, a major portent of the end time. Are just one of the many portents mentioned in the Hadith. Allah knows the truth, of course. Peace be upon him, was given as much knowledge of the future as the Lord wished to reveal to him. Hear from the information that has come down to us through the Hadith that in them ordinary time. The Hadith of our Prophet, peace be upon him, indicate through revelation of Allah special and specific events follow one another. This age, unique in all of history, is the end times.